These new devices have been completely redesigned to provide consumers with the best tools to manage their wellness. Samsung's most advanced suite of health and wellness features. Galaxy Watch 4 is equipped with Samsung's groundbreaking bioactive sensor, which boasts a smaller and more compact design that doesn't detract from measurement accuracy. This new 3-in-1 sensor uses a single chip to precisely run 3 powerful health sensors: optical heart rate, electrical heart, and bioelectrical impedance analysis, so users can monitor their blood pressure, detect an AFib irregular heartbeat, measure their blood oxygen level, and, for the first time, calculate their body composition. Our all-new body composition measurement tool gives users a deeper understanding of their general health and fitness, with key measurements like skeletal muscle, basal metabolic rate, body water